Halloween might be mostly an American tradition, but here in Jamaica, we have plenty of our own tales of hauntings, duppies, daring escapes, and legendary villains. With a history as rich and layered as ours, these stories, though sometimes dark and filled with hardship, have exposed a spirit of resilience that is an enduring part of our legacy. Today, we're exploring one such story, the St. George's Anglican Church in Mile Gully, Manchester. Known to locals as the Church in the Wild Woods, or if you believe in that kind of thing, the Duppy Church. This abandoned site carries both mystery and the weight of history. Located just outside the small town of Mile Gully, this church was once a spiritual hub for the community. It's also near the spot known as Skull Point, a name that, as you might guess, has a story of its own. Said to have been built by enslaved peoples in the 1830s, one of them, a man named James Knight, who plays a prominent role in the church's history. The story goes that James Knight was an enslaved man on the nearby Lyndhurst estate. Despite the dangers, he learned to read and embraced Christianity, even preaching to other enslaved people. This act of courage did not sit well with his owner. In a brutal display of authority, Knight's owner ordered his execution. He was beheaded, and his skull was displayed publicly as a warning to other slaves against learning and preaching. Today, the story of James Knight is remembered as a powerful symbol of resilience. To this day, the locals still believe his spirit never quite left the area. In the years that followed, St. George's Anglican Church became a focal point of local lore. It is said that disturbances plagued the congregation, enough that they eventually abandoned the building and moved their gatherings to nearby St. Simon's Anglican Church. And so, St. George's fell into disrepair. Yet, even abandoned, its haunting reputation is still alive. Over the years, residents have shared their stories of strange happenings around St. George's. There are tales of eerie sounds, disappearing figures, and other ghostly encounters near the church. These accounts, while unproven, have given the site its local nickname, Duppy Church. It is reported that taxi drivers speed up, not wanting to linger too close. And for those brave enough to visit after dark, well, let's just say they rarely come back without a story. Despite its ghostly reputation, St. George's Anglican Church is a significant piece of Jamaican heritage. It serves as a reminder of Mile Gully's past, reflecting both the impact of colonialism and the spirit of its early citizens. There is talk of preserving the site, with hopes that it could one day draw visitors interested in the rich, layered history of this region, adding to the local economy. Whether or not you believe in the hauntings, the church in the Wild Woods is a testament of the resilience of the island and the spirit of those who lived here long ago. With stories of courage, mystery, and even a few duppy tales, it's a place where history and folklore meet, and a reminder of Jamaica's complex but powerful history. The Duppy Church is the first story in our Haunted Geography series, where we uncover Jamaica's most mysterious places and the legends that surround them. If you enjoyed this story, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Who knows what hidden tales we'll explore next? Stay tuned for more.